that anything like that has ever happened in our relationship. We ain't never had no kind of drama like that in our relationship. It's just like she don't care about me, like she's ready to move on. She's lost all this weight. She lost 50 pounds, and now all of a sudden she's just feeling like she's better than me is how I feel.
No, that's where you're wrong, Adrian. I never changed up. I changed for the better, okay? What I did stop was I stopped needing to be validated by people. And that people is you and people like Schmegula Didi, okay? And that's why I'm done. I can't.
Well, let's meet Schmegula here.
Let's meet Schmegula Didi. Schmegula Didi. You gonna run up on my mans after everything I've been seen what you done? You know my situation. I work with you. We're friends. How you gonna sleep with him?
Just because we work together, that don't mean we're friends.
You wanna know about
you knew they were together, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I don't care.
But you don't care. Do you want to be with him? Do you?
No, I just haven't had sex in a while, and he was just there.
Well, it was a one-time thing.
How did it come about?
It all came about, I mean, here's what it was. I'm at the gym, right?
Yeah.
And I'm doing my workout. I'm coming towards the end of my workout.
Yeah.
Like a little cool down kind of thing. So I'm doing my push-ups and stuff, and I know I'm seeing this girl staring at me. I'm just knowing that I recognize her kind of, and then she comes up to me. She starts doing her squats and her lunges right in front of me, like ass all out right in my face, doing her thing.
Okay.
So I'm knowing that, and then I put two and two together. This is Dee Dee. This is the girl that I've seen with Serena.
And so therefore you said,
I'm her. Oh.
Go back to Schmegula.
Schmegula.
Yeah, at that point in time, Jerry, I wasn't thinking right. It was just she was there.
Okay, but there's no relationship here. She's not interested. You're not interested.
No, Jerry. It was like I said, a one-time kind of thing.
Okay, so what's going to happen here? Because you do love her. Well, you asked her to marry you. I'm assuming you love her.
I do love her.
This is what I think of your proposal.
That's typical.
We'll be back. All right, Mia says she's excited to meet her online crush, and he will see her as well in the flesh. You've never met him before, right?
No.
Oh. So how did you get in touch with him?
He messaged me on Facebook, and we've been talking for about 6 to 7 months now, and everything was pretty casual, and then it turned into more once he found out that I'm a stripper.
So, but when he first showed interest in you,